First of all, we can use the rectangle and we can click from this position, or we can use the rotate rectangle. Then we can type 6 meter and enter. Then we can move to the behind around 2.6 meter and enter. Then we can click the surface and select push pull and push it up around 300 and enter. Okay, then we can triple click and right click and make group. Okay, now we can use the rectangle and click from the position till this position, and we can make the terrace in here. Okay, we can make the hallway in here. Okay, then we can click the surface, right click and erase. Then we can erase this one. Okay, then we can click the surface and select push pull and push it up around 3 meter and enter. Okay, then we can triple click, right click and make group. Okay, then we can click the surface, right click and erase, click the surface, right click and erase. Okay, now we can use the rectangle, but we have to triple click this one and select the rectangle to make the window in here. Okay, this is a little window in this tiny house, and we can make the door of the tiny house, and the height of the door is around 2.2 meter and the width is around 900 millimeter approximately, like this. Then now we can click this line in here and offset it inside. Okay, around 30 millimeter. Then we can make the variation of the door in here. We can click this line, select move, tap control, click this line again and place to this position. Then we can type // and enter. Okay, then now we can select the vertical line, the vertical line like this. Then we can select move, tap control, click this line. We can place to this position. Then we can type 3/ and enter. So this is the door of the tiny house, and then we can make the window, the little window in here. Okay, we can offset. Okay, we can offset it inside again, and now we can make another window on the toilet. This is the toilet position in here. Okay, then we can make a little window again in here like this. Okay, now we can add the materials of the outdoor cladding. We can use this one, and we can assign the materials like this. Okay, we can assign the materials. Now we can use the wood materials. Okay, we can choose the dark wood in here, and we can assign, or we can make another variation of the wood to make the wood panel, door panel with the wood material. And then we can assign the glass and mirror in here. We can use this one and use this one. Okay, then now we can make the variation like this. We can explore more about the roof of this tiny house. Okay, we can explore. We can scale like this, and we can a little bit offset it outside in here. We can push it up like this, and triple click. We can triple click and make group. Now we can make the variation like this. We can use the rectangle in here and push it to the front, triple click and make group, and we can rotate until to this position, then place to this position like this. So this is a variation. Now we can adjust the holder. We can adjust the support of this wood anyway. And now we can slice this one using the line. We can select a push until the behind like this, and then we can adjust about the end of this wood structure till to this position. Okay, then now we can duplicate it again in here, like this. So this is about the variation of this tiny house. Then we can assign the materials of the outside. We can use the colors. Okay, we can use this color like this, and now we can make the section plane in here. Okay, we can make the section plane. Okay, now we can make the boundaries about this bathroom. We can make the boundaries. The bathroom width is 1.5 meter. Now we can use the tile, and we can use these materials, and we can make it lighter like this, or we can adjust the saturation color of there to make it more soft and calm. Then okay, we can make the separation window, the separation wall in here. Okay, then we can adjust the camera, the field of view of the camera, and setting like this. We can scale, and we can triple click, make group. Okay, we can scale it again in here. Now we can make the rectangle in here, triple click, make group. So this is the loft bed, and now we can make the door of this bathroom. This is just a simple door, and we can select the wood materials to make the difference, to make the difference color of there. I like this. I like wood anyway. Okay, then this is about the flooring. We can use the flooring materials of there, and setting about the saturation like this approximately. So we can now setting about the surfaces, indoor surfaces. We can make the lighting. We can make the light surfaces of the interior like this. So okay, and now we can make a little fixture. So this is for the shower cabin. Okay. This is just for a shower cabin, and this is the wastafel. Okay, and we can make the little wastafel in here. We can use a 2-point arc to make the smooth corner in here. And we can push it up and offset it inside. Okay, and then we can make a little hole in here to make representative. Okay, and this is the faucet. Okay, this is just a simple way to make with wastafel. And 750 for this wastafel, and then we can make the toilet in here. This is a simple toilet in here. Okay, so you can make the additional materials in here in the inside of this house. Okay, and thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.